Today I'm going to be making a video on my new headphones. These are called the M50Ls. Yeah, you can see it right there very clearly. And give me 1 second. These are good headphones. They have very good highs, mids, lows, and they have a removable cable, so you could take that off and then you could wear it around your neck like some Beats. Give me 1 moment. There you go. Yeah. So we're gonna do a sound test, so let me hook this back up again. So we're gonna do a sound test on these beautiful headphones. So let's whip. One bit mob deep. Put them in their place. So let's see how they sound. As you can tell, they sound really good. We put them in their place. As you can tell, these headphones sound really good. And they go for about 100 pounds. And in US dollars, that's $150. About, yeah, $150. United States dollars. In Mexico, is probably like 78 pesos or something. Something close to that. But these headphones are really nice. The only thing I don't like is the metal ear cups. They just feel too flimsy. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it, but they just feel really flimsy. I mean, what's pretty cool is that, here, look. You could do that, and then, you know, whoa, you could just flip them again. Like, it's pretty weird. So, and they actually fold in, so if you want to take them while you're playing basketball, you could do that as well. Having a little trouble, but something like that. Oh no, it doesn't even feel right. Something like that. You get the point. And what I like about these headphones is that there's you can see it right there. There's a right and there's a left, so it tells you where to plug them in. And on my other DJ headphones, I'll show you right now. They had the other DJ headphones I had previously that I've been using on my channel for a long time. They had a circular ear cup, which doesn't really fit around your ear that good. And these Vmodas, they have a oval ear cup, as you can tell, and they just fit much more better. Like they make a perfect fit, and that's the thing that I like the most about these headphones. They're just great for overall usage, so there's nothing wrong with them at all. And so that's pretty much it. The headband, it feels really soft, but not super soft. Yeah, it's pretty much it. I'll show you this. Oh, I'll tell you the specs. These headphones, they got 500 watts each ear cup, and the kilohertz response rate is 1 to 78 kilohertz per, or 78,000 kilohertz per whatever. And the speed of these is 1 megabyte, so they're really fast. That to transmit your music and whatever you're listening to, you're editing your video, got your stuff on. And one thing I have a complaint for is that these headphones, they don't got the DJ swiveling effect that the really cheap Dr. Dre Beats by Monsters, they're like $20 have. You could just flip it like and no problem. But with these, you got to do like a weird setup. You gotta, like, if you want to listen to one, you either gotta like hold it and then just put this right there, or you gotta just put, this is how I do it. I usually just have it like kind of like that. So that's kind of how it's gonna look, but it messes up my hair, so my beautiful hair, so it messes that up, which is a con that I really don't like. But yeah, that's pretty much it. These Vmoda Crossfade M100s are really good steal for your money. There's no need for Beats, because if you do research, you know that Beats is just nothing but advertising and like making their boxes better, and you know their case for their headphones more unique. It's really dumb. I don't understand why they would put half of the money to advertising and stuff and not to the actual build quality of headphones, but I guess this is what they want. So that wraps up this video. If you like this video, drop a like down below, and as always, like my Facebook page.